Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about React application selectors in Playwright. How to handle React applications in Playwright. Okay, in a Playwright there is a great future. We can able to say that there is a React application and it will support for that. Okay, because we can able to say in other applications it is not supporting the similar format what Playwright is supporting the elements. Why means the Playwright, which is a React applications or normal application, any application, it is developed by using HTMLs only. The tags and everything is presented. If you want to do for in-depth of that, if you want to use any React-based applications, but you want to create a React-based XPath, then how you can able to do it? By using React symbol. Okay. Why this React is basically how we can know that the application is React or not means we have one plugin to install into your system, that is React Developer Tools. That tool can able to give you like that particular application is developed by React or not. Okay, then only you can able to come to know that that application is React. Present the market is going to React applications to development, and due to that I'm going to like Playwright also supporting. And for one small example I'm going to show you. Okay, this is very rare case we are going to use runtime. Okay, how to add for React developer tools means you have to search for React developer tools in a search engine, then you will get it for one plugin for Google extension, Google Chrome extension. If you click this particular one, it will give you for here extension. I have already, that's why it is showing for remove from Chrome extension. And if you don't have, like, it will ask you to add it. Okay, just add it. Once you add it, it will show you in this particular location. Once you click this one, you can able to see here that by default it will be unplugged. If you plug in it, you can able to see here itself. Okay, once you've done this one, whether that particular application by developing by React or not, just I'm going to click it this particular one. You can able, I'm going to click for this particular one. You can able to see this page does not appear to be using React, means it is not using for any React application. Just I'm going to use for Netflix. Okay, after Netflix, see, you can able to see this is enabled. Whenever it is coming here, you can able to see disabled mode. Whenever you can come to Netflix, it is showing for enabled. If I click this one, it is showing for this up. This page using for the production build for React. Open the developer tools and components and profile tab will be appear into the right. They are saying that if you inspect this particular element, developer tools, there is a two components, component and profile. These two things will come under when you're using for this developer tool. After that, it will provide you for this particular element, these two elements. Okay, what other things you are providing for here, the same thing it will provide to you here also. Okay, meanwhile I'm providing, like, we can able to see here you can able to developer tools, here it is providing anonymous, and you can able to see the proxy is nothing but that entire application related information. Okay, one by one it will show you. Okay, that label, which label we are going to search, that label information, children is input, and class name, this one is there. Data uses is a field email, and you can able to say label email address, and name is email is presented. Okay, the everything components are displayed here. This is the format it will show you for in a React application. Entire application is developed by using like this tree structure. Okay, all the tree structure, it is by default it will be presented. We need to identify which element we need to pick it. Okay, and here you can able to see the key is presented here, the type is P. Okay, and based upon that we need to choose it, our element, which element you want. If you are going to find for your element, it will not be possible. Okay, but if you want to find this particular React based XPath, how we can able to do it means we need to use it and Playwright dev tools. I'm going to copy this particular URL and I'm going to use for Playwright codegen and I'm spacing here and I'm going to enter. And here we need to find for our inspect elements, and here we need to use then the console and we can able to identify those element. Okay, any React play application we can able to use it and we can able to provide, and maybe you'll get it for one question. If I inspect here, it is providing for autocomplete is email is there and type is email is there, ID is presented and name is presented and everything is presented, then why we are going to do it? Name is there, we can be able to do it for the name. Yes, we can. You can see here directly playwright dot dollar and we can able to use a single quotation or double quotation is okay, and square brace and name equal to, if I enter, see still it is able to find it, and even we can able to use this particular path and we can able to do it, but this is not our intention to do it, right? We are mainly concentrating which we are going to create for XPath for React based thing. Then how we can able to do it? And here I'm going to remove this all the things. Any React locator we can able to inspect by using underscore React. This is the one we can able to inspect our any element. Okay, then what we need to use it, and the square braces, if you open normal browser and here it is providing for labels and name, anyone we can able to use it and we can able to identify. The label is presented for email address, I'm going to take for email address. Okay, and now I am going to do it here, label equal to and single quotation I'm going to specifying this particular one. Okay, if I enter now, you can see this is the particular one, it is completely highlighted for entire HTML tag. You can see if I inspect this one like expanding, here it is showing the label. You can able to see email address. Okay, label is email address, it is find it. And if I expand this one, you can able to see input tag is presented. But I want to highlight this particular input tag. I don't want to highlight for entire things, right? How we can able to do it? If I don't going to here inside two greater than symbols and I'm going to specifying for input. See, my input tag is highlighted. Can I able to enter for any name into this particular one? Yes, we can. You can copy this entire path. Okay. Go to this particular application and I can able to use for page.locator and copy this here and fill it. And here I'm going to mention for Lokesh. Now I'm going to whether it is entered or not. If I want to see, I can able to specify some time to wait. Then you can able to provide, and then you can able to use. Okay, it is having four more elements. Due to that, it is not able to do it. Then we can able to use it here. Find first, which is the first will comes that particular element we can able to click it because it is identified for two elements. See, the name is entered here. It is went for very low and I'm hiding this particular one. You can see the text box is highlighted. See now, because previous the email ID went very low. See, Lokesh is entered into the email address text box. Okay, this is a format we can able to do it. Can we do it for normal application format? Yes, we can, which is a one we are created for name equal to email. That is XPath we created, right? By using that also we can able to do it. By React, by using this React XPath, anything we can able to do it, which is finding that particular element. Based upon the finding element, we can able to do it. To finding, you have to open for dev tools, Playwright dev tools. There you can able to find easily for that element. Okay, then you can able to do it for automation. Okay, I hope you understand this particular one point. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.